bum. Okay, maybe sardines. Oh my god. What was that? Dragon? Is that you? Oh man, that was just... Thank you. Ah ha ha. Not now, Donnie, please. Please. You're welcome. Cool. Into the castle we go. Oh my gosh. What? Why I love this game so much? Because I like this dog. I still keep thinking about it every few seconds. Oh. If I didn't even get it, then I'll be like, eh. I thought it'd be interesting. Now it's interesting to me. Oh, Donnie. Into the castle we go. Wait a second. Ah, just for safety, Luna. Before Donnie's about to be... Oh, doing this to you. Yeah, it's okay, Luna. No problem. It's okay. Seems like you're scared for no reason. Why? I just said that. Thank you. What? I just still have enough time to do this. What? What are you doing right now? Ow. Why? You chose the wrong thing. You chose the wrong thing. The pipe. Like always. We all know that. Oh no. I think I hear Mario over the left side. Why? What do you mean? Hold on. Ah, there you go. Thank you. What cannon? What that? Why? Oh, this game's on Steam too. Ow. Come on, dragon. Come on, deer. Whatever they are. The deer. The green one. It looks like a mountain goat deer. Okay. Because he chose the wrong level. Super Mario. Huh? Speak to me, please. Ah, Luna, don't do it again. No. Okay, good. Because... There he is. Oh, no. Ow. Oh, my gosh. Wow, this is why Luna doesn't even like water. Okay. Thanks, I guess. Oof. I'm playing on Steam. I'm playing this game on Steam, too. Don't you carve anything sweet. Chocolate. Any types. Cookies. What about candy? Oh no. Oh my gosh, Bowser, I knew it's you. Ah! What? Oh no. What the? No. This is not funny. Oh no. What was that noise? Oh, goodness gracious. No way. Oh no. No. Oh my gosh. No. And now he's sleeping. Luna, why? Later. Okay, hang on a second. Sorry, Donnie. The game took too long to load. I don't know what's happened nowadays. Oh, there you go, Donnie. Oh no. Oh, my project is gone for no reason again. I also only restarted it. I should have uninstalled and reinstalled to fix this problem. And then I'm back to this. I only kept my previous data for at least 9 months from January. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, we got to start again. 1 second. I'll go get the other 2 bonus stages later from the house levels. Oh, I miss you. Ow. Do it again. Oh, man. Okay, now let's go ahead and get Oscar this time. At least all over again. Maybe the house levels later. Oh, ho, ho, if I promise to play this game again at night. Oh, just for one. And everything will be a little bit back. Oh my god, don't crash change right now, sweetie. I miss the extending this right now. Yeah, I used to unlock everybody, but I didn't even get one more cat, and another garden. I save all the cat coins for this, and keep playing as Peach. Oh, now I miss all this. I missed it. This is probably the third or fourth time I lost my previous data. Well, it's still loading. I don't like doing it all over again. I don't like doing this game all over again. That takes like an hour. There you are. Uh-oh, he's coming. Oh god, you have to go for now. Let me just at least... Thanks a lot, Luna. You made me loosen this. I'll do it again later. Yay! I got butterflies. It's just you, me now, Donnie. I don't think Luna will be here for an hour now. Until it's 8 o'clock. Let's do this again for another time. Just number 2. There he is. Uh-oh. Oscar, don't run into me, please. This game's working faster. It's working well. I'm out of here. Bye-bye, Oscar. No, for real. That took like a minute to get everything back. That took me like an hour to get everything back. A little bit. Let me do it one more time. And then I'll get the health level back in this game. With just 2 bonus stages remaining. But it takes a while, you know? You know, I'm still playing this game. I need more of these too. So no more wasting them. I want some more. I must have some more. What was that about? Let's just go to Puzzle and Dragons now. It's been like a minute doing this. At least this data isn't here. I mean, no, you're wrong. At least this data isn't lost. Because it's connected with Facebook, so you can restore it easily when you log into it. Because I had this data for like, 2017. After I had to restore the tablet. I had everything erased. You know? Now, thank God, you got your backup. So you can restore this. You can continue the adventure and collect how many monsters you collect. Because, or dragons. Some, yes. And anime characters like these. Okay, stop talking about it. Just, you only have, you just slept too long. All of you teeth. Chew? Ooh, another cat game, eh? It's alright. It's the tappy one winking at me. He's not touching the controller, then it rotates by itself. I have to go get these back. Just play Simon's Cat Dash a little longer. And I want everything back just for 1 second in an hour or 2. So you don't have to do the whole process again. Really, look. Oh my god, really? If it were to start with just restore my previous data from yesterday, none of this would have happened. But no. I tried. I tried reinstalling you. Now it looks like we have to do it again for a little bit. And get all the cats back. And gardens. You know, I'd rather save them. You know, I'd rather save for next time. Mario. We mean pre-tart. More like pot-tart. We mean it's, why is it called that? It's press start, not pre-tart. No, it's restart. No, it's press start. Because it's missing only 3 S's. What? His controller. You are such a funny dog. Are you beginning to be naughty again, Donnie? Trying to do this too. Maze. No. Molly. She might get angry at you when you do that to her. Maybe she didn't allow dogs. Are you kidding me? Wow, look at her. Clumsiness to balance. Can I play with your hat, Mario? Why? You love to play with his hat, don't you? Mario. Why? You want to do your thing? What do you say? Get out of here. Oh no. Fine. Shoe? Are you kidding me? Are you trying to play that joke again to me? I want to eat the jam tart because it's delicious. The Pop Tart. Really? How come? What's going to do with that? Really stand still. That's really low. Okay. Oh, Mario. That was rude what you just said. Oh yeah, finally sound effects, baby. Yeah, thank you. How come? If this were to be doing this yesterday, losing my data, like you took too long to load Simon's Cat Dash, what happened to you? It wasn't supposed to happen like this until, I resend it. And then my precious data is gone except for the high score that's like 100,000, something like that. It's sitting there. And that is the score I just had. And it's supposed to restore my data. I don't know why. But no, you led to me. But no, it leads to me restarting the whole entire thing again. I don't want to do it. This should be the last time. Oh my goodness, for it to happen. Oh.